on time. There were few things which were not
in the
their
scope of
hands,
in
yeah.
the scope of work, but like asbestos, like it come up, you know, it extended our renovation project for another week. That's the little things, but otherwise I think it was delivered within the time.
Yes, definitely.
Yes, actually
Yes,
they did.
yes.
They did.
What
they
they
did.
promised, they
You
have
can
delivered,
look at the quality.
quality and
If
everything.
you want, we can take it there. You can have a look around.
The thing is that they have taken care of even tiny details, so I'm very happy with everything. So tiny details like pull-up pantry, light fittings, bathroom shower head, two-tone kitchen, which I really like.
For me, it's a media cabinet and plus my bar.
This kitchen waterfall, that's my favorite part, and they did it really beautifully and yeah,
Executed
very
really
nice.
well. Yeah.
Oh my God, highly recommended this.
Yeah, we
room.
recommended ourselves again, you know.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
this is our second project with Esteem. So if you're renovating any other place, we won't given any other thought. Just we will come back for sure to Esteem again.
Thank you so much for delivering such a good quality, and everything is so perfect. They have delivered my dream house to me. So thank you so much.
Thank you again.